Hi guys, welcome back to Dressing Tammy. I am Tammy, and today we are finally going to talk about Blair Warner Wednesday. I know, I know. I have been thinking about this for, oh my goodness, when did I even mention it? September, October, November, I don't even know. Um, but yes, we are going to begin Blair Warner Wednesday. I don't know how quickly we are going to do that because I still have to, honestly, I don't know how I'm going to do it. And that's what today's video is about. And if I am so open to suggestions here, feel free, leave them in the comments, what you would like to see. What I'm thinking right now, I am back to my regular schedule and I get off work about 1:30. So from like 1:30 to 8, 9:30, this is the time I have. And again, I still want to work on my dolls, so because that's business and we need a car. I have to grow this business too. So what I'm thinking is, and again, comments below, let me know what you guys think. I'm thinking of taking 3 outfits from the first season and working on those. The first one I'm thinking about is the maroon dress. Again, I'll put a picture up here so you can see. I believe the episode was called Mother Like Daughter, and it was a maroon dress. It had basically, I'm gonna say like almost like a mandarin collar, kind of like this, and then buttons down, long sleeve. It only buttoned to the waist, and then it was belted and then had a skirt. I'm not sure if I want to do it as a dress though. I think I can achieve the same look she had if I do like a button-up shirt with that type of a collar and then make a skirt to go with it. That way in the long run I have 2 different, you get it, right? Instead of one dress, I've got 2 different items that I can separate and wear with other things. Then the second one, I don't remember what the episode was called, but it was when Molly Ringwald, when her parents were getting a divorce and her father was coming to visit and everybody was getting ready to go on, back home. And there was an outfit that Blair had on, picture right here, a blazer, a button-up shirt, and then I believe she had gray trousers on, and I love that look. I even like the design she had. It was like a little swirl here on her cuff. I even like that idea. So I mean, even I remember doing the ribbon around the collar. I don't know if anybody else does, but I believe I even have my freshman year pictures. If I can find them, I'll put a picture up here where I had a ribbon around around the collar of my shirt. So yes, I'm not even opposed to that at 53 years old. So yeah, that's the other one. The third one, I'm not 100% sure yet because I'm trying to go through her looks on what I can 100% sew. Now, there's a few outfits that she has where she's got some really tight Gloria Vanderbilt jeans, and I am not there. I'm not ready for tight, my cat's trying to get in. I'm not there for tight Gloria Vanderbilt jeans. Come on in, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy. Hang on. So, the third outfit, I'm not sure of yet. I'm going to have to go through the first season and see. But the 2 that really strike me is that maroon dress and that blazer outfit. I'm trying to think. I don't know. Do I want to make a corduroy blazer? Because she did wear that. Again, comment below if you are a bigger Facts of Life fan than me. Doubt it. Leave below which outfit you like from the season 1. Here she comes. There she comes. There she is. So yeah, in my head, I'm trying to go over what she had on. Generally, it was tight Gloria Vanderbilt jeans or Jordache jeans. Sorry, she's moving the table. Okay, sorry. And blazers, sweaters, turtleneck, mock neck, cowl neck sweaters she had on. A lot of blouses. I know she had a yellow one on too, but this is where I'm at. So season 1 wasn't really capsule wardrobe so much, so that's why season 1's it's kind of a little harder for me to nail down. As we get into this, when Joe joins the cast, as we get into that, then it gets a little bit easier to work on that. So this is what I'm thinking right now. So I'm gonna try to source some maroon fabric for a shirt and a skirt, and I want the same fabric so that it would look like a dress. Now, because I'm a new sewer and I am not familiar with fabric, as we've all seen from previous makes, I would really appreciate if you guys could tell me if you were going to make a button-up shirt and a skirt to match to make it look like a dress, what kind of fabric would you use so that I maybe can go to like Fabric Mart or somewhere. I don't have a Joann's really close to me, and I honestly don't even know that maybe I haven't never looked at Hobby Lobby really, because I go to Hobby Lobby just to get fleece and muslin and interfacing and stuff like that. So I really haven't even looked at a lot of their fabrics. So yes, leave a comment below. What fabric would you recommend that I look for to make these two items to make them look like a dress? That's my question to you guys. Then as we get past this first episode, I think it'll be a lot easier, because then I can go ahead and just start the capsule wardrobe that she wore and just make one piece at a time is what I'm thinking. And then at the end, when I get all of her outfits done, then we'll go in and we'll put them together just like she wore them on the show. That's my idea. I could do that with episode 1, but I'm telling you right now, I'm not putting my butt in a pair of tight Gloria Vanderbilt jeans. I can't. There's no way. I'm not going to look like that, and then I'm going to be discouraged, and I'm not doing it. So we're going to pick and choose from episode 1, and then going forward, we'll go ahead and pick up the way I want to do it. This year for me is all about reaching milestones. It's not about attaining anything other than a car, but it's really about milestones. I've already started investing in the stock market. That is something that I've wanted to do since, gosh, like maybe junior, senior in high school. I used to follow the stocks all the time, but I never did. I always felt like you had to have $1,000 million, but you don't. You can buy stocks. They're called penny stocks. You can buy them for like $5. They're not very good, but you can buy them. My penny stock that I had today went up 2.4%, I believe. So there you go. I've made a couple of cents this morning. But anyway, so I started that, and that's like a milestone. And what I mean by that is I don't want to chase things, because that's never gonna be fulfilling. Like, I don't know, sewing is I don't know, it kind of encompasses what I'm trying to say, because we don't chase after like a shirt or a blazer. We really enjoy the process of sewing, and that's what I'm kind of excited about this year, because it's like it's finally clicked in my head that what I'm after is not the thing, it's the doing. And every little milestone, my goodness, even when I did comic books, to be able to sell at a comic book store in New York City, to get on stage at the Funny Bone in Columbus, Ohio, there was no money involved. There was nothing. It was a milestone. Can I do it? Let's see if I can achieve it. I'm kind of excited about that this year. So, yeah. So that's why I'm very excited to start Blair Warner Wednesday, because it's something that I've always wanted to do, and it's really not about the outfits. I mean, even though I love what she wore in the series, it's about, I've always wanted to do it. Can I do it? Let me see if I can do it. And at the end, I will have this wardrobe. But it's really not about it's not about a skirt. It's not about a blazer. It's about me having that dream. Can I achieve it? How can I achieve it? Within my means, basically. So I hope that makes sense. And I'm just rambling now, so I'm going to go ahead and end this video for today. But I did want to let you know I am going forward with the Blair Warner Wednesday. Sorry, I'm pointing at you. So suggestions for fabric for that type of shirt and skirt, leave her below. Let me know. Again, if anybody's got any favorite fabric online shops that they shop at in the United States. I'm not opposed to shopping in the UK or other places, but it's just that Amazon gets you and you just want it now. So, so leave them below. Let me know a fabric choice that I should really be looking for, and where maybe it would be the best place to find such fabric online. Okay, so that's it, and I hope to see you guys on Monday. Okay, so you guys have a great weekend, and we're expecting like 5 inches of rain, I think. Oh my gosh, please, my basement can't hold 5 inches of rain. So yeah, that's it. Have a great weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye.